in space? Could people transfer money to and from Mars? I don't know if you've ever seen the commercial, but Ripple has a commercial of an astronaut sending a payment. So the answer to your question is yes. It absolutely can work in space. You would just need internet access. And with Starlink, things that make you go, we talk about that a lot. Elon wants to colonize Mars. If you wanted interplanetary commerce, you would need a distributed ledger technology that allowed you to transfer value real time between economies in space and settle. When you listen to Greg Kidd, he talks about an intergalactic currency, and that XRP is an intergalactic currency. And he talks about Star Trek and a lot of stuff. And he sounds a little bit crazy. But to answer your question, yes, XRP would absolutely work in space. And I do believe that the long-term benefit of XRP, and again, like, this is the hard stuff. GDP is really kind of capped per capita, how many people can work in an economy right now. But as we have AI agents and we have, humanoid robots, that becomes uncapped. Like the economic output, they don't have to sleep, they don't have to take time off, they don't get sick like people do. It'll explode. GDP will explode across the countries. And then you're going to have multiple economies, right? Like if we do colonize other planets, if we have metaverses, all of these things are 24/7, 365 moving along. They're not capped by the amount of people or humans' limitations. So you can imagine, like, people talk about total market cap and total value that exists today in markets, and they think that, $1 trillion company or $1 trillion digital asset's crazy. The market caps of these digital assets that are the underlying protocols that are going to move value between all of these economies is going to have to